Hey you guys, so today we're going to be trying the Flick Stick by Lovoir. This is a waterproof, smudge-proof, life-proof eyeliner stamp. It is cruelty-free and vegan, and it is so easy to use, you guys. So easy. This is the perfect product for if you are struggling with trying to get that perfect wing every time, or if you're a beginner and you just want that perfect little wing. So one end of the liner is a stamp. As you can see, it is the perfect wing shape. And then the other side is your felt tip liner. So in the package, you're getting two stamps, one for the right side, one for the left. And as you can see, I'm just holding it up to my eye, stamping on, and immediately the perfect wing. Then I'm going to take the felt tip liner and I'm just going to connect that to my lash line area. This felt tip liner is so good, you guys. Not only does it have a super sharp point, but it also distributes the product evenly. You don't have to go back and forth to try to get it darker. It already comes out jet black. And yeah, it doesn't tug, it doesn't pull. It's just a really good liner. And as you can see, we have the perfect wing liner. It is so easy, you guys. You could probably do it with your eyes closed. It's so easy. I was like shocked, like where has this product been my whole entire life when I was struggling on how to do wings myself, and I still struggle with getting them even, but this product is a game changer for sure. But yeah, you guys, overall, I really like the Flick Stick. It was a super simple way to get the perfect wing, and it was actually really fun to use. Thank you so much to Lovoir for sending me this to try. You guys go check them out at www.flickstick.com. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.